A banking app that won't load is usually caused by a broken internet session, outdated app files, or a temporary server-side issue, not your account being locked. By the end, you'll know exactly why the Chime app gets stuck on the loading screen, and the exact steps to get it working again on your phone. First thing to check is your internet connection. The Chime app depends on a stable connection to pull account data, so weak Wi-Fi, or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, can freeze the loading screen. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off to reset the network session. Then reopen the app so it reconnects cleanly, instead of using a broken session. Next issue is outdated app data. If the app hasn't been updated recently, older files can conflict with the latest login or security checks. Go to the App Store or Google Play and install the newest version of the Chime app before trying again. This forces the app to reload fresh system files instead of reusing corrupted cache data. Another common cause is overloaded cache data inside the app. When too much temporary data builds up, the app can get stuck before it even reaches the login screen. On most phones, clearing the app cache or reinstalling the app removes that stored data and resets the loading process. After reinstalling, log in again using your normal credentials instead of trying to restore old session data. Server-side issues can also cause loading failures. If Chime's servers are temporarily down or under maintenance, the app will stay stuck on the loading screen even if your phone is working fine. In that case, there is nothing to fix on your device, and waiting is the only option until service is restored. Device-level problems can also interfere. Low storage space or running too many background apps can slow down the loading process or stop it entirely. Closing background apps and restarting your phone clears system memory so the app can load properly. To fix it fast, start with your internet connection, then update the app, then clear or reinstall it if needed. Most loading issues are solved in that order without touching account settings. To sum it up, app loading problems usually come from unstable internet, outdated app versions, or cached data issues. The fastest fix is resetting your connection, updating the app, and reinstalling if the screen still freezes. Next step is to restart your phone and reopen the app after checking for updates so you can rule out all local issues in under a few minutes. Like and subscribe for more simple fixes that explain exactly what's happening when banking apps stop working.